Ni kesengi hak yalang kenmu buram ya kesengi wakerpang yong kibru wa duna hedo ipran watipkam ke International Day of Person with Disability wadapen man hapchem ke Ephphatha Society hadikhia West East Giant Hill District kawaman kaseng wapai kerpang nei benta kibru wa duna hedo ipran nei liang Deputy Commissioner ke East Giant Hill District Shiwan Avasti dawai haro uya umoyurim nei benta uchna hostel khnang wa ki waduna ido ipran wawan na kithawa jngai wa pendep cha asikai wa pher uyo athau sa aki kani ke yarap de yo ki langba ka District Mineral Fund Scheme DMF yong snem arhaja arphauso arhaja arphausan wedamang uchna le kamra de langki pankhana nei benta ki kanthai wa chenrang hagani ke singin jrong Deputy Commissioner de emlang le ODSP ke East Giant Hill District Usper Singh Pasleng kam usembut kongsan ka basuk kharbi thais ke 3D LSA East Giant Hill District wakiwi hagayalang wa perlai da ke Melody War Legal Advisor ke Ephphatha Society kamwa kapang yong kani kesingi ongko applying the leadership of persons with disabilities for an inclusive and sustainable future kabasuk kharbi thais ke 3D LSA East Giant Hill District depen kenmu goya ki waduna hedo ipran wamto odu mensen gi nebha wakile MG keju ko hok bo mi khmat hagawan gawan ka kam haga imlang salang kat kami bor wa yegi la woman ki wa mi khmat hagawan gawan ka benta ne wat woman ki wa mi khmat haga kam san hima sima nei te depen che ro ko chaki waduna ido ipran walangba ka District Legal Services Authority ye ki le uyo ye yarap wakrapang ki Wyrta wa ka an klem iwan isu UDSP Spearsing Pasleng hawaya ro ye ki kam ka Ephphatha Society kermen wo nang ye chu ko kre bahane ni chakmat nei benta ki prabru de wakun tule wo lum ulang chu ya kam gini gibru nei benta open yo akilat yarap ne ki awareness wa pher Pentip haro ucaki waduna ido ipran wakam kacnat pulit leman ki wasmat uyarap yaki hawawan mi pan yarap ki. Niliang ukongsan Deputy Commissioner ke East Giant Hill District hawa kalam ongo ke sorkar bay kamju ke sorkar jela de yele ke uthu kilat kuluti yo pen bha chu ye hok irukom im gibru wa duna lahe ya to ke bha yo ki yo kan ke bha pure puthi wa kam jole ipen chitom ye gibru wa ban ben ye ki waduna ido ipran. Wai ka wakong santam ong to uwanra ikala hitit iperkhat ki pajba wa ka sorkar nei benta ki bru wa duna ite to omwo pai yaki kam kite ki bru wa duna tangwa kam ki bru wa iwara pher nei baha ahan lambiang ido ipran kam wa manlang ki wa bon walang le tangwa yiwan ki wa le yi re yi iwa kerpang kam te kam was ngau thu wa pediang wa wan ne ka wan ki ka benta wa kerpang wai wo mensin hajrong ka yi kasap ne iman kerpang wa ki kam wa ganito isdang yong ki bor district is jaintia uya kre lang wa ka Ephphatha Society yuluti wa ne ni chakmat daw ye chu upangku ya gani ka society ne benta imentoi gi bru waduna hedo ipran hagani ka singi ka Ephphatha Society de erap haro ko da ki wheelchair shaki waduna ido ipran i wachem jitom uye nyukam
Kalong ba si nadu uslang katnai spaknai puang baki penlang ini kasi pakerbang bangin rakhe dan leng setelah kapentai with time it takes time ya kanu bangin penpha ka shimpol kam dei ka kam ko batang ha shisni ha ka shisnam ni la ban penpha dei nam dei ya kanu ka kam ba ha ka shimpol te kum ba ya ka pol te kani ka jingdon kam nam ta jong phiru ka nang pher ke te hagata ka jingya lenti yo I ba phiru pindai ki brew ki bamnang ban start pila banlong kita ki brew banang ban start banang ban start pila ro banlong kita ki brew ki bala banlong ki nong ya lam jongi why not why can't you be a leaders you have the right you have the ability to be a leaders that's why this team Pisong tu kata you have to encourage yourself mo sure bangin encourage mangi phi tin haban encourage ma phi la di bangaru ngadan ya takasap bangan long leader be it in the field of politics, be it in the field of, social life, economic life, cultural life, any background you choose, you have the right to be the leader if you are able to do it. Nobody can stop you. Manu la ban tin sange pitong na kada pidan ki jingduna haba pidan ka lat haba pidan ka sa pila ban long kitaki long mi khmat jongi khamtam ka liao jong politics ha ke imlang sa lang idon kami ki long elam ki bastad ibadan ya ka jing yo I ka bajangai na menta ka jing pha ka la wei jong baro dei you can be one of them pila bande kitaki leader jongi takada ban ka team idan India ngakwa ban shem na kataka quote jong ini jong Robert M Hansel uang ba know me by my abilities not by my disability Kamot ayu kata ka coach. Know me by my abilities, by my disability. Kamot ka pi thu yang ada ka jingna ka jonga ken inde ya ka jingduna ka jonga. Pi smo thu ya kata shubu menta pi long brio bastan. Pi pas bha ka jing puli. Pi tap kam. Kidip ni de ban itu ya pi kum tau brio bastan. Inde kum tau brio badan ka jingduna ka khat met jong pi. If you live by that theme, you live by that quote that people should know you by your abilities, not by your disability. So kalau kong san ha ba pindi ban pendrit ya ladi pindi ban pendam ya ladi nak kata pidan ka jingduna. You are as special as we all are. You are equal like we all are. Mdan ba ong bala ban discriminate ya pitang nak kata pidan jingduna we have so many privileges, so many facilities which are made available for you. Tapi hab ban so thu ya kata ke.
Playing a hub donkey come with FIR. Let's say kiwan ukwa gula police station. Come department ikloy yarab ipi. Let's say let them hewan lati sengken de ikloy. Let's say come department yang ikwa hayo we am talang. Let's say kami force boni money normal. Hadin how am duty accident gi bon ki police gi traffic. Let's say man gi normal for join gi hadin accident gi hewan. Let's say pentut gi hay the comment okay. Let's say kum kini jubu gi staff yo em gi cepo yang cepo office. Let's say kam gi force kam gi spy kam army the bon ko affect. Untuk na wakha hadin stempor. Let's say kam gi ni kerpang gi elat epi. Gi khoble kam tam gi society won elat ka lanti gi chemi ni. Let's say dengan kerku berdoa ya warok ke ukrai kam yang gai Ephphatha Society nang krek lang nang cekri kamu angge cekri yo blai kamu cekri igi pradok prasnam kamu cekri igi lok ke jorgi kamu lu cekri igi payu parai wm ijing duna mulu malah head khotmet. Let's say yo mani hijui hewan let's say ada gon program le ikwa igi amtang amta. Let's say you bon game comment em ke man hadu kedan yo he le em IS officer ni ke officer he le untuk do ini. Let's say em jingmut jingtang yang pi iwan kalat wa be kan do ha score ha ke ikri.
So we need to acknowledge in every person there is something special, and we need to take out that kind of potential out of that person. So I think that is the role that Ephphatha Society has already been playing by providing training to the persons with disability here. And once we have a hostel, hopefully the persons with disability from far away locations also will be able to come here, stay here for a few days, get themselves trained. Because legal rights and entitlements are one thing, but as you know, financial stability, to have some kind of livelihood is very much important. So I hope that this is just the beginning of the collaboration between district administration and Ephphatha Society. Moving on here forwards, I would like to see if there is any other requirement, be it material for the training center, you want to run any training where you want to maybe pay some honorarium to the candidates, any kind of skill development training that can be done here or anywhere in the district, will be very happy to support that initiative going forward. As you have seen in Shillong also, I would just like to share one example with you, because earlier I was working in Meghalaya State Skill Development Society, where many programs of skill development training were launched, especially for persons with disability. We had been working very close with the Ephphatha Society in Shillong. They have a very big training center where they are giving training on natural farming, on handicrafts, on pickle making, on scents. So like this, if we can also have a better infrastructure in the district, till the time it is not there, we can always give you some space in government buildings, so you can have a bigger training where more people can benefit out of it. So that will be my endeavor going forward. So one more important thing that was launched few years back was the Accessible India campaign. So we need to acknowledge that it is not the deficiency in the people who are differently abled, that they are not able to access public space. Because if you go outside in any developed country, you will see that their roads are always built in such a way, their offices are always built in such a way that for any person with any disability, he can also access them equally like any other citizen. So this was the main objective of the Accessible India campaign. We have moved forward a bit. For example, if you see in election, it is ensured that in all the polling stations, in the assured minimum facility, the ramp is available. Also, last time in the Lok Sabha, recently concluded Lok Sabha election, it was made sure that wherever it is required, wherever there is a person, either an old age citizen or a person with disability, the wheelchairs were provided to the polling stations. Also, if, I don't know whether you know or not, for a person with disability, when you go for vote, if you cannot see the EVM machine, if you have this eye-related disability, then in Braille also it is available. So you can read it, then you can decide whom to vote. So the elections have been made completely accessible so that any citizen who has this right to vote can exercise his right to vote without any obstruction. And similarly, hopefully going forward with more and more hard work from our side, from government side, from Ephphatha Society side, we will ensure that the quality of life of every citizen of our state, every citizen of our country is equal as has been enshrined in our constitution and as has been the vision of our founding fathers.